How to fix the Telegram app full screen problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve display issues where the app doesn't fit your screen properly. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Display. From there, tap on Full Screen Apps. At this point, find Telegram within the list of installed apps. In the next step, tap on it to see the current display setting. Following this, select Full Screen if it's currently set to a different option. Once done, exit back to your home screen and reopen Telegram to check if the display now fits correctly. From here, if the issue continues, go back to Settings, then tap on Apps. At this stage, tap on Telegram, then tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. Keep in mind, a display scaling issue can sometimes be caused by an outdated app version, so check the Play Store for any pending Telegram updates as well. Finally, restart your device once you've adjusted these settings, then open Telegram again to confirm the screen displays properly. And that's it! If this guide helped you fix the Telegram app full screen problem on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.